but it's a GelBlaster. What up guys, welcome back to the Combatant Citizen. I'm Chester here today to show you another GelBlaster, which is a pistol, the 6-hour P320 M17 made by UDL. The P320 was developed by 6-hour based on the P250, emerging from the 2017 US Army trials to replace the Beretta M9. However, early P320 faced reports of accidental fire when dropped. SIG later issued upgrades to resolve this problem. Today, the P320 is adopted by units including UF Staff Group, Marines, Navy, and Air Force. Now let's break down this GelBlaster. The frame is made by nylon plastic, also with texture grip panels and accurate engraved marking. Notably, the right side slide stop lacks a serial number here, and only the left side slide stop is functional. This is very unfriendly to the left-handed. The safety is purely decorated. You can see here, you can also fire. And the RMR adapter plate lacks the actual components here, so also this limiting the functional realism. The metal parts include the safety and the slide stop and the trigger. It has 580 gram weight for the solid grip.
Pay attention here how I removed the cap at the mag bottom to access the MR30 battery plug. The space for battery is limited. After each mag change, you must re-rack the slug to resume firing, and always remove the battery after use to prevent fire control system damage.
The UDL-P320 hits 58 FPS with a decent ballistic, though gel ball fracturing occasionally occurs. Overall, this GelBlaster build quality but falls short in operational authenticity. I rarely felt it as a wargame sidearm, preparing it for at-home dry fire drills. Alright guys, that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, comment, and subscribe. This is Chester from the Combatant Citizen. I'll see you next time.